This is Abraham.
The silhouette's burning, embers rising high, like a chemical fire. The flame won't die. Intertwined, dark